All right. So here, all right, guys, let's focus. Let's focus. So here we go. These are some of the questions that we were having issues with. No, we were not having issues with dy dx equals y equals x squared. Find dy dx for that. But I just wanted to do like two parts, like part one, part two, and then part three is a combination of part one and part two. You'll see what I mean. So find dy dx. This means find the derivative of y equals x squared. So that's pretty straightforward. Dy dx is just 2x, and that's it. Core, not quote. And on the bottom here, it says that it wants my derivative. What rule do I got to use? The product rule. I guess technically also the power with the 5x, but the product rule. So first times root of the second. The root of cosine is negative sign plus the second times root of the first is root of a 5x. 5. And then I would just make it pretty. How do you make it pretty? Just go negative 5x sine x plus 5 cosine x. And there it is. That's my derivative. Cool or not cool? Okay. Now, example 3 is example 1 and example 2 together. See? So when you take the derivative of this, I'm going to write y prime. The derivative of x squared is 2x. And you can either group the negative with the 5x or you can put minus like this and then just do product rule of that on the inside. Does that make sense? So first, so here it is. First times root of the second plus second root of the first. And we already did that. We had done it over here. See? Are we okay so far, guys? And now I'm going to distribute the negative. What's negative times a negative? So I'm going to have y prime equals 2x plus 5x sine x minus 5 cosine x. Good. Does that make sense, guys? Sorry, because that was you guys are funny. All right. On this one here, before you start, if you have a constant in the front, take care of it. So, look, I'm not even starting yet. I'm just rewriting it. The cube root of 64 is 4. 4. The square root of 64 is 8, but it's a cube root. 4. And then you see this x squared, and then you have a third root there. So you're going to write x. Perfect. You just turn it into an exponent. Sine x. Are we cool right now? Now we're going to do the product rule. First, second. So here we go. Dy dx equals first. I guess technically you could have also written it 4 and then leave the cube root with the other, but that's fine. Times root of the second. What's the root of sine x? Plus the second times derivative of the first. So what's 4 times 2? So 8/3 x to the negative 1/3. You subtract 1 from the exponent. Does that make sense? All right, we're going to leave it like that. That's fine for now. Yeah, later on we'll talk about how we want the answer. Ready for example 5? All right, this is the first. This is the second. Cool or not cool? All right, here we go. F prime of x, since they gave us function notation with f of x, equals first 3x squared minus 4x cubed times the derivative of the second. What's the derivative of sine? Cosine x. Plus the second times the derivative of the first. 6x minus 12x squared. Are we okay, guys? You can leave it like that. If you have delta maths habits, then you'll probably have this one in the beginning and this one at the end. But I would have our habits, but it's whatever. How do we feel? All right, that's it, guys. We're done. Take care of the circuit.